Yeah, hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also good. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, definitely. My name is Om Prakash Bharadwaj. I am from Patna. Right now, I'm pursuing BBA. I have worked in airlines almost 1 year. Then after that, I left the job, and right now I'm doing a college. That's all about myself.
Okay, very good to hear about you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pallavi Dhingra and I'm an English trainer by profession. I have been teaching English from last 10 years and I love if somebody improves through my teaching. This is all about me.
All right, ma'am. That's nice.
Mhm. Yeah, you want to ask something?
And where from?
I'm from Delhi.
Okay, proper Delhi.
Yeah, I'm from Delhi.
All right.
Okay, so I just want to ask, like, how long are you interested in learning English? Like, from how long are you trying to improve your English?
Ma'am, I has been learning since 5 months, and still I'm learning English. So
Okay.
yeah, I went to Delhi 5 years ago. So at the time, I don't know how to speak English. Then I find out how to become a good English speaker. Because if you are not able to speak English, then I will not get the job for the sure for the English.
Mm-hmm.
So in Gurgaon and Haryana. So I find out the institute offline and online. Then I try to practice a lot. Then I'm able to speak English. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, very good. All right, so you have been trying, and apart from this, like you joined an institute, do you do anything else also to improve your English?
Yes, ma'am. Tried. I talk many people's. That's why I'm able to speak in English. Because as I told you, I have worked in airlines 1 year. So in airlines, everybody is talking in English language. So it's helped me a lot.
Okay, so share something. How was your experience working in airlines?
It was a nice experience because yeah, it was nice experience because passengers calling me via call, and we have to provide information regarding the aeroplanes like delay or what is the departure time, arrival time, and everything related to the airlines. We have to provide them all the information. So it's gradually increase the common
Okay, very
skills.
good to hear. Do you like your job when you did?
Yes, I have worked 1 years. Then after 1 years, I left the job because it's boring. Because
Okay.
airlines, yeah, because they train you, they make you a employee. So it's not worth saying things,
Okay,
worth
so what
doing.
is the goal? Like what you want to do now?
Right now, I'm preparing for the civil service examinations.
Okay, all right. So you want to like clear any of the government exam?
Yes, I have cleared the police examination, but I didn't appear for the physical test.
Okay, so when you will be appearing for that?
For what?
For your test, you said I haven't appeared for the physical test or you didn't qualify.
No, 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 I haven't because I didn't reach the physical test.
Okay, you didn't reach there. Okay, all right. As if you said you are preparing for civil exams, so all the best for it. I hope you clarify and get your goals. Okay, so as you said, you have been learning English for such a long time period. So do you feel your English is improving by following these methods?
Yes, ma'am. It's yeah, definitely it's helped me because when I have remembers when I speaking, so I'm not able to express my words to someone. So it's
Mhm.
yeah, hesitation is gone, but still I'm not able to speak fluent English speaker. So this is a
Okay,
problem.
so what all things you do now? Like you said, you wonder that you're not able to speak fluently. So now what are you trying?
Right now, I am learning English through the YouTubes and in colleges. Yeah.
Okay, so do you think YouTube is helping you?
Yes, yes, it's a little bit. It's not too much, but yeah, definitely, it's helped me.
Okay, good to hear that. So, do you have any questions for me?
Yes, ma'am. Because you are a good English speaker and pronunciation is very good. So how can I become a good English speaker? Because pronunciations matter a lot while speaking English.
Yes, you're very right. Pronunciation matters a lot. See, I give you some suggestions how you can improve your English and you can reach your goal where you are looking for. Number one, it is you have to improve your grammatical errors. Like till now, we have been talking from last 5 minutes. I wonder you do few grammatical errors, which you might even know that you are doing because nobody points you out. So, what are those errors? It is number one, like you right away said the word 1 years. So, if it is something one, then 1 year. Why s you will be added? So, you said people's. People's already is plural. So, don't add s with it. Okay, just basic things you focus. This video also I will be uploading on YouTube. You can watch there and you will see. And I wonder you know that much of grammar, the errors you have already made. So just be more conscious. I give you one trick. What you can do, whatever you are speaking, speak in such a tone that your ears listen to you. That means go a bit slow. When your ears will listen to you, and it will only happen when you will go a bit slow. So you will not make these grammatical errors. Next, to improve your pronunciation, there is something what you can do. You need to have a mentor who guides you to improve your pronunciation. I give you, like on our conversation we did till now, I give you some suggestion, like you say 5 months. So it's not five, it is five. So you can repeat after me. Say five.
Hype,
Five.
hype,
No, don't say. See, I'm saying it in two parts. Fa if, and you are saying five in one go. So say it in two parts. Fa if,
if,
better than before. So you need guided practice for it if you want to improve your pronunciation. Because see, whatever is your age, from your childhood you are speaking in this pattern. So it's not that you cannot improve. You can improve. Anybody can improve. It's just a language. So anybody can improve. You need guided practice for that and a mentor who helps you and who guides you the proper pronunciation of words. That too using some mouth exercises. Also, I suggest you how you can do it yourself by raising it a bit better than what you are at the moment. You can go even to my YouTube channel and watch the video from there and try to copy the way I'm speaking. I won't say I'm the best person in the world, but at least you will be a level ahead of what you are. You can take, suppose, any short video. And what you have to do, don't take 10 videos in one day, just one video you practice for 10 times. You practice, take one video, and whatever way I'm trying to speak the words by using my hands and my tone, you just copy that. So in this way what will happen, you had a comparison in front of you. Because अभी आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, आपको पता ही नहीं है ये राइट है या रॉन्ग है, nobody is there to tell you. बट अगर आप मेंटर लोगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा, हाँ ये ऐसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ and actually it is need to be said like this. This will help you so much to improve your pronunciation, because few words you might be saying wrong. Otherwise there is not like a problem with other sounds. Suppose I tell you like f sound, you say it incorrect, so you can just Google it and even search the pronunciation of fur sound. For example, like as if we talk. So particular practice would help you. Okay, so if you will be doing like this, surely you will be improving. And I'm telling you, you take one video daily and practice that same video for 10 times. And surely you will be seeing a tremendous change within a month. I can guarantee you that. You just try and see the change. This is what I will be suggesting you. And for your grammar errors, I suggest you to go a bit slow while speaking so your ears listen to what you are speaking. In this way, you will make less grammar errors because nobody points you us. Why anybody will point? What is their business? They will not get any benefit by telling you, yes, you did it wrong. So nowadays, nobody points you out. So we are the one who has to improve ourselves. Okay, so this is something you will be following and surely you will be getting a positive result. Also, you can see and watch, I keep on adding a lot of information about how to improve your English alone, even when nobody is there around you. You can watch such kind of videos that's going to be proven surely helpful to you to level up your English. And you will be seeing a tremendous change within a month. So this is what I will be suggesting to you.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, I will do that for your.
Yeah, right away you said definitely I will do that. Your pace was a bit low initially when we started, and now it was a bit low. So the way you said right away, I'm telling you, you watch this recording 2 3 times, then you see the pace you started and right away. If you will lower your pace, this will also help you to reduce your accent, the accent that you have of your regional language. If you will go slow, you will see like 10 to 15% it will reduce because
Yes, ma'am.
our speed is also a reason. And if you talk about fluency you never have to practice. It will come over a period of time. If you will keep on talking to people, it will come. For fluency you need not to do any hard work. What you have to do the hard work for the right practice, the right method, and the right approach. Fluency will come along with it. Okay, so
Yes,
this is something I will be suggesting.
yes, ma'am. It's a valuable lesson for me. Definitely, I will do that for
Yeah.
my communication skills.
Yeah, and if you will be practicing our after a month, and you will be wondering, because if you will practice you will come to know if I have changed or not. Then we will have one more session with a better version of yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. Yeah.
Okay, all right, bye. It was really nice connecting with you.
Yes, ma'am. It was a really amazing conversation with you, ma'am. I learned a lot for you.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.